This year has been such a year of change. And as I go through my exhibition works opening at Tina Skukan on the 23rd, I needed to get a sense of what the exhibition would look like and how it would contain the space. But this year has been such a year of change. And every work I think has been an affirmation. I've needed to embrace change. I've needed to draw from the landscape I move in. I've needed to dig deep and seek meaning and draw from the lessons of the landscape as affirmation, as affirmation. My exhibition is titled Rumours of Rain, but rain has such deep significance for me. And here in the Kalahari Desert, rain doesn't come often, and yet this year, whenever I've needed a sign or a miracle or just encouragement, we've had such beautiful rain. And once again, I've wanted to just express how deeply significant this has been for me. I'm really excited for this exhibition. There's a lot that has been happening in my life, and I'm looking forward to sharing this with the world. I look at the paintings, I've laid them out, and it's such a journey for me. It's a journey of, I call them my river roads. My river roads. And what I would love people to take out of this exhibition is that one must never stop striving. Use what you have, what is in your landscape, to embrace, and just keep pressing on. My exhibition is a message of hope. I look at the prickly pear fields, and I look at the cacti in my environment, and I look at the shepherd trees with their wind on their backs, and every aspect of this landscape tells me, teaches me to press on. Press on. Embrace change. Do that thing that scares you. I'm really looking forward to